everybody, I am super humbled to host you on my channel. You are so welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please take a minute to subscribe, and everybody make sure your notification bell is turned on, like ding. So I discovered an alternative to stick-on nails because mine press-on nails, mine always fall off no matter what I do. So these are called gel strips stick-ons. Guys, they are a game changer for me. So the first part is just showing you how easy they are to take off. This set is 2 weeks old, so I'm going to start off there and then go on to putting on a new set. So you need to start off with very clean, dry hands. You cannot use lotion or anything oily in the last 1 hour. So that's why my hands look a little bit ashy. But they're so simple. You just simply peel them off. But be very careful. You don't also want to hurt your nails. See how smooth my nails are when I peel them off. I kind of was a bit rough on this last one, but I advise you not to peel them off too harshly. Yeah, I was a little rough, wasn't I? Anyway, we move on to the next part, which is just filing down a small layer of your nails. I mean, I haven't gone for any professional nail training, so I assume it's just the first layer of your nails that you just want to buffer off, so that when you apply your nails, your gel stick-ons, that they have good grip. I just also always wipe off with some acetone or nail polish remover. Whatever you have will just work. And then we get into it. So actually I picked mine from DIVA, the Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Strips. They are Salon quality, guys. They are amazing. But the one other packet I had, I don't remember the brand because I just got home and I opened it up because I was so excited to see it. I've been feeling white for such a long time, and I bumped into these ones with the pink. You know I'm a sucker for pink, so I just want to take out, every time I take out all the designs I have, I just flip through them and see what combination I want to make. And today, or in this day, I was feeling the white and the pink. The other ones I'm showing you are leftovers from other designs from other weeks. This gel strips really stay on for 2 weeks, but you'll see at the end what happened with the white ones from a different brand. But anyway, that's another story. So you will literally looking chic and looking real cute for like 2 weeks, and very easy to maintain, very easy to put on. It's a 5-minute job really, and that's it, guys. Watch on and let's learn together. If you haven't subscribed, this is a minute for you to subscribe, and make sure your notification bell is turned on because you will want to know when I upload the next video. So I would actually really like to change my nails every week. So I tried it in one of the past weeks when I had the designs on for a week. When I tried to take them off, they were still really stuck onto my nails so well that I had to live through with them for another week. So if you're looking for something that is pretty cheap, pretty easy to put on, maintain, this is kind of an option for you. Especially also if you don't like stick-ons. I really like these. Rule of thumb, and first things first, is to size out or measure out all your gel strips for all your nails before you start. It's easier if you measure the corresponding nails at the same time because it's easier to pick out corresponding sizes from your gel stick-ons. And application is fairly easy. Just size it up, align it with your nail bed. I did forget to tell you that I pushed back my nail beds, so you want to align your gel strip with your nail bed. Press it down firmly, and then you press along the length of your nail first, then on the sides to wrap it up. You are bound to have extra gel strips, so you are going to want to wrap it around your fingernail and then cut it off with a scissors or whatever is easier for you to cut. You want to make sure there's just a little bit to fold over your nail tip, then you file it off so that it's right aligned with your nail. And just like that, guys, you have a new set of claws for a week. These ones didn't perform well, especially the whites. They're from a different brand, so I'm going to stick to the brand of the pinks. But otherwise, I am ready for a new set. If you're interested in watching how I put on the next set, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you've subscribed and you have turned on the notification button so we can come and gather here for another fresh video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. All my love.